Want to make sure your Telegram account stays secure and out of the hands of hackers? Today I'm walking you through the key steps to seriously boost your Telegram security so you can chat, share, and connect with peace of mind. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to lock down your account and avoid the most common hacking pitfalls people run into online. Let's dive in. First up, the single most important move is enabling two-step verification, often called 2FA. Why does this matter so much? Well, even if a hacker somehow tricks their way into getting your SMS code with 2FA enabled, they'd still need your extra password to actually log in. That's a huge, sometimes game-changing security barrier. Setting it up is easy. Open Telegram, head to your settings, tap Privacy and Security, then look for two-step verification, sometimes called cloud password. Choose a password that's not easily guessed, something unique to you, and don't forget to set a recovery email. That way, if you ever forget your password, you're not locked out. Take a minute here, it's worth it. Now let's talk about active sessions. Think of this like keeping tabs on all the doors you've left open to your account. Maybe you logged in on an old tablet or your computer at a friend's house. If you don't close those sessions, someone could waltz in through them. Go to Settings, Privacy and Security, then Active Sessions, or sometimes called Devices. Take a careful look. Do you recognize all the devices or locations? If there's one you don't panic. Just tap Terminate all other sessions or manually log out from the suspicious device. Doing this regularly is like tidying up your digital house, making sure no one is lurking where they shouldn't be. Privacy settings are your next line of defense. Here, you control exactly how much of your personal info the outside world can see. For your phone number, set Who Can See My Number to My Contacts, or if you want ultimate privacy, Nobody. The same idea goes for Who Can Find Me by My Number. Usually My Contacts is the safest bet. For profile photos, again stick to My Contacts, and with forwarded messages and calls, limit who can reach you or see your info. Don't forget about groups and channels, only let your contacts add you. This will keep random strangers and potential spammers from dragging you into weird, unwanted groups. Let's touch on a serious pitfall: suspicious links and messages. Hackers are clever, their scams look legit and convincing. If someone you don't know sends you links promising free crypto, exclusive prizes, or urgent requests to verify your account, always pause and think it's probably fake. Telegram staff will never ask for your password or private keys. If something feels off, trust your gut and avoid clicking. Another layer of security: keep your Telegram app up to date. Each new version includes important security fixes that close known loopholes. It can be easy to ignore those update prompts, but they really do matter, especially when it comes to keeping your chats and personal data safe. Finally, even the best online precautions matter less if someone grabs your phone in real life. Make sure your device itself has a strong passcode lock, not just a simple pattern or a guessable PIN. And for an added shield, set an app passcode inside Telegram. It's an extra lock just for your chats and can buy you precious time if your device ever falls into the wrong hands. That's it for today. I hope these tips help you feel more secure and confident when using Telegram. If you found this video useful, please go ahead and hit that like button. And if you have any questions about Telegram security or tips of your own, drop a comment below. Don't forget to subscribe for more practical tutorials you can use every day. Stay safe out there.